Hey real estate agents, how are you doing today? How is the market treating you today in 2023? Are you guys still struggling to try to make ends meet? Trying to get a paycheck to earn your keep? Well, I'll tell you what, if you don't start thinking outside the box, you're going to continue being one of those many thousands of real estate agents getting out of the business. You might have to go bag groceries for a living. I hate to see you do that. So if you have a property that a seller's trying to sell and they're asking more than what the market bears, maybe they have repair issues they need to overcome and they can't afford it. You know how it is, FHA, VA, they're going to do inspections and they're going to flag that property and it's not going to meet their requirements, nor will it appraise. So you're struggling marketing the home, busting your tail, and you can't even get a paycheck because you can't get a sale. I see so many agents out there struggling today. They have inventory, but they can't move it, or they just can't get any inventory to sell. It's terrible times out there. Sellers are losing their houses to foreclosure. We're on the high rise of housing crash. I don't know if you've been watching the news and all the little things going on behind the scenes, but it's happening, sweetheart. I hate to tell it to you that way, but it's real. So as a real estate agent, you got a property that you can't move, give us a call. I'm TheRealEstateExpert.Online. Thanks for joining me, folks. And I've been telling you agents for years, got to start thinking outside the box, because until you do, you might have to go resort to bagging groceries because you can't sell a property, you can't get an inventory. It's kind of like a car salesperson. You don't have the inventory, you can't sell anything you don't have access to. So here are the three key ingredients that we look for in a seller that fits our business model. Obviously, below market value we'll pay cash for, but the wholesale market is down big time across the board in all 50 states, which we service all 50 states, by the way. The other option, we look for sellers that may be behind on the mortgage, they may need repairs, or they didn't own the property long enough to build up any equity. And with today's housing market in 2023, values are starting to come down across the board. More and more agents are getting out of the business because they can't sell anything, nor can they list anything, because sellers aren't willing to try and sell for less, and they think they got a gold mine in the backyard. Well, I always ask, where's that map where the gold is buried? So just think about me as a wonderful option. Bring us a deal, we'll pay you. That's the beautiful thing about it. Even though you can't list the property, you can refer them to us, and if we make a deal happen, you get paid. So chime in below, subscribe to my channel, be sure to give me a call today. Love to help you guys out of a situation, and we don't want you to go bagging groceries. Come on now. Let's work together and let's make some deals happen, and let's help some families create a win-win situation. Bye for now.